How to make fabric accessories. Your step-by-step guide to making fabric accessories by HowExpert. If you want to learn how to make fabric accessories, then get How to Make Fabric Accessories. Wanting to have those beautiful earrings and charming necklaces that you see on magazines and online stores, but you don't have the budget? Thinking about giving your best friend a handmade gift, or wanting to recycle those scraps of cut-off denim? Looking for a new hobby or craft that you can keep yourself busy with? Get the How to Make Fabric Accessories guide to kickstart your new creative project that will help you make fabulous accessories to match every outfit you own without putting a dent on your wallet. Read through this guide and find out how you can start making fabric accessories on your own. Learn how to create fabric accessories that are affordable but are definitely high on charm. Get ideas and techniques that you can use in designing your own accessories. Use simple, everyday items from your mother's sewing kit that you never thought could be made into earrings, bracelets, and necklaces, fabrics, lace, cords, buttons, and ribbons. Recycle those scrap fabrics and repurpose old clothes that you no longer use, but you can't bear to part with by turning them into pretty accessories that you can wear every day. Add surprise elements to boring accessories by using buttons, ribbons, and laces. Make accessories for every outfit you own and for every occasion. A girl can never have too many earrings. Make personalized gifts for family and friends that will show them your creativity and thoughtfulness. Make jewelry sets and give them away as souvenirs on special occasions such as weddings. Use your acquired skill in creating fabric accessories in starting a business. Feed your creativity and fuel your imagination with design inspirations and never have a boring day anymore. Don't be scared of using fabrics in your projects. This guide contains no-sew fabric projects that you can easily follow. This also includes a guide on basic sewing stitches that will be most useful when doing the more advanced items. The guide starts with the easy-to-do no-sew accessories, and the level of intricacy progresses with each design. Grab a copy of How to Make Fabric Accessories now and be both creative and fashionable. About the expert. Kyria Chepe is a self-taught bead artist and jewelry designer. She started making simple dangle earrings in 2006. As she became more interested in her craft, she expanded and enhanced her knowledge by learning from How to Bead books by English and Japanese authors. Despite the language barrier, she learned many techniques and gained so much inspiration from the Japanese beading books just by looking at the step-by-step pictures. Since then, she has been exploring the use of different materials and techniques. She has practiced what she has learned by creating her own designs, which are mostly inspired by nature. She has turned her hobby into a small accessories business. Table of Contents. Chapter 1. Introduction. Chapter 2. No-sew projects. Chapter 3. Needle warm-up. Chapter 4. Full swing sewing. Chapter 5. Essential tips. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z by everyday experts. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.